Hi, I'm Jo, and this is Dole's step-by-step guide on how to cut a mango.
First, you'll need a sharp chef's knife, a cutting board, a bowl, and a mango, of course. Today, I'm using a Tommy Atkins. Stand your mango upright and look for the wider, flatter sides. There's a flat oval pit running through the center, so we want to get as close to it as possible without cutting through it. Slice about a 1/4 inch off center to remove one cheek, keeping your knife parallel to the pit. Score the flesh in a grid pattern, being careful not to cut through the skin. Take a spoon and scoop out the mango cubes as close to the skin as possible. Repeat on the other side. And that's it! A perfectly cut mango ready for snacking, smoothies, or salads. This technique is perfect for mango lovers of all skill levels. So grab a mango and give it a try.